Hay una allí en el cuarto.
Hello everyone, I want to make a different video this time. This is not really an update of the house since really it's been some time that I recorded this. This is a recording from back in January, and right here you can see that they're installing a window inside of the house. This is on the second floor, and with this particular room, it has a window so that light can come in. This is more of in middle of the house, that particular room, and that area is like the balcony area. In the back is where the balcony is. So from that door, a lot of light comes in, and I decided to have a window there because I really don't like dark rooms. And right there, what they're doing is they're fouling off on the edges because they kind of, when they did the sizes of the frames, these are steel frames for the windows, they didn't account for the stucco, so they put like cement to make it like over the brick, and they didn't account for that a bit, so they have to file the edges so that the metal frame can fit inside. So they're on the right, you can see my dad, and then there's two workers, which he's the guy that made the front door, and then he's also going to be doing the fence in the front. So right here is from the inside of the room where they're adding the frame. And if anyone's building a house, I would recommend for this part to be done before you get the floor or any painting done, because it can get messy. So that's something I would suggest for you to do.
Para salir, sí. La troca, no creo. Oh, sí, sí. Sí. Ahorita voy.
So right here just was acknowledging the floor. There's some people that say they didn't like the floor, which I guess it's all preference, it's all objective um, on what your preferences are. But I really like this floor. I think it looks really nice. The video doesn't make it justice. It's an awesome floor. I got it at a good price. I think it's I think 60 by 60 centimeters, and it's really nice. My dad and a friend put the floor, so it's really nice and shiny, and I think it's like a almost like porcelain, but it's a ceramic. So it's really nice, and you can see right there that the windows are already in. For the outside, I wanted the back windows to also have more of a design, just like squares, so that it can deter any thieves and just have more protection, more of that peace of mind while I'm in the United States, and if I have anything of value in the house, It's probably, I'm not sure if someone's going to be living there, but in case there isn't, I'm going to have that protection that there's steel in the windows so that no one can get in. Unless they really want to, but it's that line of defense. So on that side, I'm just walking through the rooms. So right here is the kitchen area. As you can see, I put a window there. And there's some gaps in between the window frame and the bottom and on the sides and on the top a bit. So that's going to be cured, where you're going to put like either cement or silicone. Cover that up. Make it look nice. Right now it's completely different. I hope to go in November, but all of this COVID stuff is, hopefully it doesn't change my plans. I really hope I go. And a lot of you guys have been asking about a video on bookkeeping on all the costs. I'll be doing that in the future, hopefully next month, so stay tuned.